friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of SoundHound app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about SoundHound and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage and here you will click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about SoundHound app. Then if you find updating this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.